Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope that you can hear me, all of you. There's one request that I have, aap sab se, that when you're going to listen and when I'm going to talk, then you need to be silent, all right? And I'm going to tell you some important things regarding your upcoming exams that there are. उसके लिए important ये है that you take out whatever material you have for writing down so that you can write down some of the important things. पहली बात ये है कि पेपर 1 के लिए बहुत से बच्चे कंफ्यूज रहते हैं कि जी व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स फॉर पेपर नंबर 1. तो पेपर नंबर 1 में जो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 व्हिच आई बिलीव इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्जाम्स इज नंबर 1 द फर्स्ट रेवलेशन. फर्स्ट रेवलेशन का क्वेश्चन जो है वो it has not been asked in the past years and it has been quite some time that it has been asked, so there's a possibility that you might be tested on the first revelation. All right, the second most important question that is there for question number 2, the history and importance of Holy Quran, in paper number 1 is the theme based question. Theme based question जो है वो तीनों काफी ज्यादा important है, whether it's Allah's relationship with himself, whether it's Allah's relationship with the created world, whether it's Allah's relationship with the messengers. आपने तीनों की जो तैयारी है वो बहुत अच्छे से करके जानी है so that exam वाले दिन you're not confused about it. The other thing is when it comes to the life of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there are certain important things that you need to take into account. उसमें ये है कि जो birth से prophethood वाला topic है that is extremely important as well. All right. Birth से prophethood वाला question बच्चे, it's one of the longest questions, longest answers in your syllabus. Make sure that you practice that at your homes, ताकि एग्जाम वाले दिन जब ये क्वेश्चन आए तो आप अपने टाइम लिमिट में, that is 15 to 17 minutes for A parts, you are able to do that. All right. इसके अलावा जो important questions हैं that include the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, the battles of Muta, Khaybar, Tabuk, Hunain, all right, the first year of migration. So you need to be very clear on these topics, or please, and I request you all, ये जो guest paper वाला system है कि जी हमें guest paper दे दें, please guest paper दे दें, इस पे rely करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Prepare your entire syllabus really well, all right. फिर अल्लाह की ज़ात से दुआ करें कि अल्लाह ताला जब आप एग्जाम में बैठे जितने क्वेश्चंस आए आपको वो सारे के सारे आते हों, और इसके साथ साथ शॉर्टकट्स की तरफ मत जाइएगा. प्लीज प्रिपेयर योर सिलेबस रियली वेल. फर्स्ट इस्लामिक कम्युनिटी में डॉटर्स का जो टॉपिक है दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑल राइट. अंसार मुहाजिरीन का जो टॉपिक है दैट इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट 4 ब्लेसेड कंपेनियंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर दिस ईयर. इसके साथ साथ companions that were in the ministry of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that we call as the other important companions, they are also very important. साथ साथ scribes of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam are also important. बहुत से बच्चे एक mistake करते हैं और वो mistake ये है that they leave the first Islamic community altogether. First Islamic community is the easiest to answer. You get the most amount of marks in the first Islamic community if you know it really well. So please choice पे कुछ मत छोड़ के जाना कि end पे जो है वो problem हो. All right. अगला जो सबसे important concern होता है बच्चों का, and I'm going to talk about paper 1 for now. The most important concern is कि सर quotations हमने कितनी लिखनी है, 10 लिखनी है, 15 लिखनी है, 20 लिखनी है, 3 लिखनी है, 4 लिखनी है, 2 लिखनी है. Quotations is secondary. प्राइमरी चीज आपका कंटेंट ऑफ द आंसर है. इफ द कंटेंट इज रियली वेल, इट इज सपोर्टेड बाय कोटेशंस, चाहे वो 2 हैं 3 हैं, जहां पे रेलेवेंट है आपने वहां पे कोटेशंस लिखनी है. इफ दे आर नॉट रेलेवेंट, इट विल नॉट ऐड टू योर आंसर एट ऑल व्हाटसोएवर. इज दिस क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? समझ आ रही है सबको? आर ऑल ऑफ यू क्लियर? जोर से बोलो, और जोर से. Very good. Now I can see that you guys are listening. All right. Now I'm going to head over to your questions that you have asked. And this is primarily it from my instructions. Questions के answer देके थोड़ा सा समझा देते हैं आपको कि क्या होना चाहिए. Yes. बेटे गौर से सुन लो, please be attentive because this workshop has been organized for all of you. Is that clear? Be quiet, listen attentively. You might learn a thing or two. Exam में बैठ के रोगे नहीं पर. जी पूछें जी.
Sir, Mr. Ali Hassan asks, will I be able to get a good grade if I memorize the marking scheme?
So I do not tell any student to memorize the marking scheme. What I recommend is कि 2017 के एग्जाम से both the variants 2024 तक just read the marking scheme so that you know कि आपका कौन सा content missing है, कौन सा content आपको आता है, कौन सा नहीं आता है. Marking schemes definitely aid you in preparing for the exams. Please read the marking schemes from 2017 to 2024. जी.
Sayyid Zain Shah asks, can I write my answer in points or in paragraph?
So there's a set pattern for the exams that happen, और अगर आप examiner के point of view से देखें, so they say कि continuous prose में answer होना चाहिए. When I say continuous prose, this means paragraph form में होना चाहिए. But if a student writes their answer in bullet points, they will read the answer, but उसका impact वो नहीं होगा जो paragraph form में होगा. Please make paragraphs, leave a line after every paragraph and indent your answer. That will put a great impact as well. Ji, next
Sir,
question.
are theme-based questions important? If so, which ones?
The theme-based questions are really important. Which ones? All three theme-based questions this time around are important. Primarily, there's one that's the most important in all of the theme-based questions. Allah's relationship with his messengers.
Sir Uzair Khalid asks, is the topic of the 12 imams important?
So this question was asked to the examiner whether all 12 imams are coming in the exams or not. उन्होंने कहा कि जी आप syllabus की heading जो है उसे पढ़ें, और syllabus की heading ये कहती है that it is the first Islamic community. क्या कह रही है syllabus की heading? What is it? The first. What does the syllabus say? It is the first Islamic community. So they say we ask about those imams that were with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, जिनमें हजरत अली रज़ी ताला अन्हु हैं, हजरत हसन रज़ी ताला अन्हु हैं, हजरत हुसैन रज़ी ताला अन्हु हैं. उन्हें कहा इन तीन के बारे में क्वेश्चन जो है that can come. हजरत अली रज़ी ताला अन्हु we covered in the 10 best companions. Hazrat Hassan Razi Ta'ala Anhu and Hussain Razi Ta'ala Anhu we cover in the grandsons of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Grandsons का question जो है वो 3 दफा पूछा जा चुका है पिछले तकरीबन 14-15 years में. Please prepare it really well. You might be in for a surprise. There's one other expected topic that is there. We call it as the unassessed topic. एक unassessed topic है that is the boycott of Banu Hashim. पूरे का पूरा boycott of Banu Hashim आज तक नहीं पूछा गया है. There is a possibility that you might be asked a question on the boycott of Banu Hashim, but then again it's a possibility. तैयार करके जाइएगा जी.
Sir, Dunya Ka Papa asks, how can we get good grades without studying?
Alright ji, Dunya, I won't read it. How can we get good grades without studying? Kindly give some tips. I have no idea.
Sir,
I think you need to get a life.
Sir, P2 के बारे में काफी लोगों को प्रॉब्लम्स है, आप उसके बारे में बता दें.
पूछें. क्या है question?
Sir, P2 generalized आप tips बता दें.
All right. So for paper number 2, the first thing that you need to know are the compilation eras of hadith. Compilation eras में जो compilation during the lifetime of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and during the time of the companions, that is of prime importance. Compilation during the time of the successors of the companions is also of prime importance as well. तो आपने compilation के time period जो है उनको आपको बहुत अच्छे से आने चाहिए. इसके साथ एक ऐसा question है जिसको बहुत से लोग ignore कर रहे हैं, and that is the question on reasons why the hadiths of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam were compiled. There are 7 to 8 reasons of why the hadiths were compiled. That is extremely important as well. इसके साथ साथ the question on the parts of hadith and the types of hadith according to strength. Sanad or matan jo parts hain, types of hadith, sahih, hasan, zaif and maudu, these you know need to know really well. Caliphate में हजरत अबू बकर रजिया ताला अन्हो की जो कैलिफेट है उसमें आपको हजरत अबू बकर रजिया ताला अन्हो की जो अपोस्टेट ट्राइब्स के खिलाफ जो उनके एक्शंस थे, यू नीड टू नो देम. इसके साथ साथ फॉर हजरत उमर रजिया ताला अन्हो यू नीड टू नो द रिफॉर्म्स ऑफ हजरत उमर. Hazrat Usman Razia Ta'ala Anhu, the allegations that were put against him by the people of Kufa, Fustat and Basra, and that eventually led to his martyrdom. You need to know that really well. Sath sath Hazrat Usman ki military campaigns and his reforms are also important. As far as Hazrat Ali Razia Ta'ala Anhu's caliphate is concerned, the Battle of Siffin, Battle of Naharawan, Battle of Camel are also important as well. ठीक है, इसके साथ साथ आर्टिकल्स ऑफ फेथ एंड पिलर्स ऑफ इस्लाम जो है उसमें यू नीड टू नो अबाउट प्रॉफिट्स, बुक्स, एंजल्स रियली वेल. एज फार एज पिलर्स ऑफ इस्लाम आर कंसर्न, ज़कात का क्वेश्चन आपने बहुत अच्छे से करके जाना है. एंड प्लीज रिवाइज प्रेयर कंप्लीटली. प्रेयर का सवाल सबसे ज्यादा पूछा जाता है. जी, डू वी हैव एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस?
Sir, someone in the audience asks, can we write H instead of Hazrat to save time?
So we did ask the examiner this question and we said that are abbreviations allowed? बेटे गौर से सुन लो आप once again. Everybody be attentive. We are doing it for you once again. एक दफा मेरे ख्याल में यहाँ पे बोर्ड लगा देना चाहिए कि तुम लोगों के लिए हो रही है, हम वैसे नहीं बोलने आए हुए. तो गौर से जरा सुन लो 2 मिनट, चुप कर जाओ. बोली जा रहे बोले, बाहर जाके बोल लो यार. So the question is whether we are allowed to use the abbreviations or not. Abbreviations क्या है जी? आप and को वो दूसरे वाला and ऐसे करके लिखते हैं, वो लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं? ठीक है. आप between को B/W करके लिख सकते हैं या नहीं? Spellings mistake count होती है कि नहीं? The examiner has clearly responded that the students can do that, और spelling mistakes जो है वो count नहीं होती है. बट इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि इतनी spelling mistakes करके वो पढ़ाई ना जाए. All right. So you can write abbreviations and that is completely all right.
Sir, how to properly structure a B-part question, and is adding references compulsory in a B-part question?
So adding references in a B-part question is optional. It's always better to give the B-part questions में references अगर आप दे सकते हैं तो लाजमी नहीं है, बेहतर होता है आप दे दें. इसके साथ साथ जो अगली चीज that you need to know is कि B-part जो है you need to write 3 reasons and then you need to develop them really well as well. Develop से मुराद है कि जो भी point दोगे उसको explain properly करना है. All right. I think the time's up now. I wish you all the very best of luck. Stay positive. Inshallah, you will score the grade that you deserve. Negative होने की जरूरत नहीं है. आखिरी 3-4 दिन है, जाया मत कीजिए, ना इसके लिए ना पाकिस्तान स्टडीज के लिए. Read as much as you can, study as much as you can. All right. Inshallah, everything is going to be better. उधर कोई आप लोगों को मारने नहीं आ रहा, आप सिर्फ एग्जाम देने जा रहे हैं. So be prepared really well. Stay happy, stay blessed, and may the force be with you. Allah Hafiz.